that. Alright, she's gonna try a meatball marinara hot pocket in the Cosori Dual Blaze air fryer. She's got it set on 350 degrees. I should have this thing up higher so they could see. She's got it set for 10 minutes, which we'll see if it takes that long. We'll be back shortly. Okay, go ahead. So it's been 5 minutes. Doubt?
Yeah, because it takes longer in the other one.
In the old?
Yes.
What temp are you looking for?
165. I cook absolutely everything at 165. Because I don't know temperatures otherwise. No, it's going down. Oh, it's going down. Oh.
Nope, you gotta go up, then in. Alright, I'll be back. So how long's it been? 12 minutes? Is it getting up temp to your liking? Did you touch somewhere? It's hot. Is it up to temp?
The air. Oh, the air on my fingers is hot. Part is.
That part is?
Which is the end. You don't know about the middle though. It's going down.
Down in the middle?
It's going down. So that's the part you want to get done. And then that side's done.
It's not done yet? So you got done like 1 more minute?
Yeah.
Should have turned the temp up like you do the old one.
And check one more spot in the middle because sometimes one spot lies. Ow. Ow. Hold on. My fingers burn like the air gets up in my nails. Man, it burns.
Good be damn girl.
Okay, it's done.
It's done. So I just took the 1 more minute.
Yeah.
You better get your plate. Those tongs. We'll turn it off then. So 13 minutes I think then. And to see if it tastes any different to you. Definitely should have turned your temp up though, huh? Oh, it's oozing out. Let's turn it your way a little bit. Oh, I see it smoking. So it could have been done a little bit ago. I bet it was. I bet it wouldn't have took that long. See how crispy it sounds? Like I don't like some stuff that crispy. Oh, you're gonna wait for it to cool? Okay, I'll pause it. Hear that crisp? I don't like stuff that much crisp sometimes. Good? Is it tasting different?
Crispier than that one.
Crispier, probably because you left it in longer. At a lower temp. Alright, so there it is, a Hot Pocket in the Cosori Dual Blaze. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back again soon. Bye.